Hello friend, welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. In this video, let's replace those stars with a letter. For example, R for rook, right? K for king, Q for queen, something like that. And naturally, if you like, right? And Kotlin is not the first programming language you learned. Naturally, you'll try to put a switch here to check something like, right? Switch the different piece, the different chessman, right? To branch different cases for rook, bishop, and you still need to check the player, black or white, right? So we'll use, for example, we use capitalize R for black rook and black rook, right? And the lowercase r for white rook, something like that. So, but you see, there's no switch. It's red. There's no switch, right? There's no switch in Kotlin. Kotlin's answer for this one is when. Okay, when. Okay. Okay, so before we try when, let's see. There's a warning here. Kotlin provide a automatic refactoring for us to make this one better. Let's see, lift assignment out of if, like that. Okay, so this is like a ternary in other programming language. So right, so if the condition is true, then bold equal, right, up will be appended with a dot, otherwise that, right? A ternary in other programming language, it might look like, right? In your familiar programming language, it might be something like that, right? Plus equal, so the condition, right? Piece equals null, right? If it's null, we append this, otherwise it's star. Yeah, so this is the answer, the ternary of Kotlin. Okay, and we don't need that, I think. Yeah, you see, if you are curious, right, this is the ternary used in Kotlin. So they don't use like question mark and colon to separate three terms. Okay, now we can start from here, right? Because we have more than two cases, scenarios, so we can use a when here. Let's clean up this one. Now we can put a when expression here, when, like that, or yeah, when parentheses piece dot chessman. Now it could be now, right? Let's see, is there a complaint here? Click to add else branch, add the remaining branch. So this one is very helpful to add all the different cases for us. And because this piece could be is nullable, right? So there's a case for null. So if it's null, we'll append that piece. Can we do that? Oh yeah. So can we just put this one here? Question mark. Oh, okay. That's the syntax we need, right? So now to do, what do we want to do? Cool, right? So if it's king, let's focus on the two pieces we already added first. So we already add a rook here, black rook and black knight. So let's do something here. Yeah, you don't have to use like autocomplete to do that. You can add one by one. So for example, like that, we can put an else here, right? Else, we just do the same thing. The autocomplete, yeah, this is like fallback case. So if it's a chessman dot rook, right? This is an arrow operator, so we'll append what? Append. Oh, here is where we still need, right? The kind of ternary equivalent. So if piece, no, we'll have to use oh, so let's go back, because we still need the name of piece. Let's go back here, yeah, because we still need the piece. Put it here, like, right? If piece dot player, right, equals chess player dot black, then we'll append capitalize that, capitalize R for that. Else is a lowercase r, like that. We need a parenthesis to group the condition, not there, here, like that. So let's give it more room. Now let's run it to see. To do is a placeholder. I'm not sure what it, yeah, it will crash. So let's put all of them here. Oh, by the way, we can reduce the duplicate of this space here. It means we can, because everyone needs, right, a space, so we'll do something like that. So we can remove this space, right, to reduce the duplication of the code. Now let's make a copy of this one for king. So this will be k, right, lowercase k, and queen, right, like that. This one will be bishop b, and this one will use n because k was used by king. This will be p and the lowercase p. So if we don't, for example, if we don't exhaust all of them, then the compiler will complain, right? You have to add a fallback, like add else branch, something like that, right? But now, since we will handle all the cases in this list, so we don't need the else fallback else clause. Now let's run it. We should be able to see our four pieces actually. Run it. You see, black rook, and black n, and black knight. So if we add say a white, let's add a white rook right under that. So white rook will be at row 7. Here is white. Let's see. Yeah, you see? Cool, right? And to recap, we use the cool when, right? It can check, you see, 7 different cases, right? Including now. And yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.